this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Windows 11 start menu not working. First thing you want to do is restart your PC. Next up, right click on your taskbar, select the option Task Manager. Once you launch the Task Manager, at the left hand side you're going to find different option. Head over to the option Processes. Now here, search for Windows Explorer. Once it appears, right click on it, then select the option Restart. Wait about 10 seconds for Windows Explorer to restart, then try opening the start menu again to see if the problem has been fixed. Next thing you want to do is head over to the section Details. Use the search box at the top of the Task Manager and type Start to locate the Start Menu Experience Host.exe process. Once you find it, right click on the process and choose End Task or End Process. Confirm the action if prompted. Don't worry, Windows will automatically restart this process for you in few minutes. After it restarts, test the start menu again to see if it's working normally. And that's it. With this solution, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.